going on, guys? So I'm gonna be working on my custom grill. This is a new grill for my truck I got off of Amazon. They have it on eBay as well for 190. It's all plastic, so I'm gonna remove the middle section to paint the outer shell, and it's only held by some screws. So I'm gonna remove those screws. There's quite a few of them, and then I'm gonna take it off and paint it, put it back together, continue with the process, do the light bar on the bottom. I want to change this amber connection bulbs, whatever, to white, so I need to figure out something for those, but I'm gonna focus today on painting it, and then we'll continue with the rest of the stuff. So I got my piece here. I'm gonna use some Rust-Oleum primer in flat white, so it's gonna be all white. And then I got a Rust-Oleum gloss white after, and some clear gloss. So I'm gonna do however many coats as I need to get it right. So I'm gonna start spraying the primer, shake it up first for a good minute, and then spray the primer and go on from there. Alright guys, so I got 2 coats of primer down, and my camera's being real shaky again. I don't know what the hell's wrong with this phone, but 2 coats of primer, primed the whole thing. So I'm shaking the can to do the actual paint, and then I'm gonna do maybe 2-3 coats of paint, and then I'm gonna do the 2 coats of clear gloss. Then I'm gonna store it away, leave it there for a couple of days for it to completely dry, because it's a little cool outside, so I don't want to be messing with it. So I'm gonna be doing that, and then I'll see you guys when I'm on to the next stage. So done, paint it. I'm gonna store it away, let it dry off, and just leave it there for a couple of days till it's completely dry to the touch. Reinsert the middle section of it, and then take it to the truck, test fit the light bar, see where I might have to cut the grill. If I'm gonna cut it, I don't know yet, so I'm gonna see what happens. So check it out. Got the grill in place, or the inner part put back on the shell. I got rid of the amber lights and I put rock lights on it. I just drilled some holes all the way through, and I attached them with their original stuff. So let me try to turn it around. You guys can see that all 3 of them same. So now I'm gonna wait and then to put it on the truck. But that's pretty much for this step, so I'll show you guys once I'm over there on the truck. Alright guys, so we're out here, took the truck apart. I'm about to install the light bar. I tested the light bar, and I'm not gonna be able to make it flush outside of the grill, cutting the grill, or close to the grill. I would have to fabricate some stuff, and I don't got time for that right now. So I'm just gonna put it wherever it fits, which is about there, somewhere around there, and it'll be fine. I wanted it to be flush, but it has to sit all the way out here, and I just don't got time to be fabricating stuff, so it'll do. I mean, I wanted it lower and more flush, that way I can get a custom emblem to put in the middle of the grill. It will be a Decepticon emblem, but since it's not gonna work out, so it's still gonna look good. The grill looks good, so I'm gonna drill 2 holes for my bolts and bolt down the light bar, test it, see if that's good for me, and hook it up along with the rock lights that are on the grill. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, so it's all done now. I I hooked it up to the little lights, the rock lights. I hooked them up to my demon eyes, to the rest of the lights. Light bar stayed on his regular switch, so the rock lights on the grill, I could turn them on with the switch. The only thing is, I was gonna run them at night in white, but since they're individual LEDs, a red, a blue, and a green, they all turn on to be white, and it doesn't look as white as I wanted it. I just wanted a white LED, but that's all right. All right, so I got everything back together now. The only thing that's always been off from my truck, I got in a little accident. I pushed somebody, so this side of my push bar, I'm guessing the bracket on the bottom got pushed up, so it's not even. Kind of throws it off, but what can you do? At least it saved my front end. But also the paint that I use is not exactly on it, and then again my truck is really dirty, so I gotta wash it because it's, you guys can see that. So I gotta wash it, so at least the color will blend in a little better. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna wait until it gets dark so I can test the light bar, and I'll show you guys the rock lights on there. It looks cool. It gives you that police patrol car type deal. So we'll wait till it gets dark. All right, guys, check it out. I'm gonna turn on my the color lights on the truck so you guys can see how it looks like on the new grill. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. And I put them all the same color so they all light up that purple color. And let me turn on the light bar. We got the light bar on. Ooh, that thing is bright. I think that looks pretty dope. So there you guys have it. See you guys on the next one.